Hey guys, this is Maruf Hasan and welcome back to another new tutorial. And today I will show you how to blur a background in a photo in Photoshop. So let's get started. First we open this Photoshop. Then we open a picture. I open this picture. Open it, and first we select the main subject of the for background blur. So we got it, and we select the quick selection tool. Then we drag on the photo like this. Drag it. And zoom it for better result. After selecting subject, we want to refine edge it, and that's why I will click the mouse right button and then go to the refine edge. And zoom it. Drag like this. Refine edge give some smoothing this photo. That's why I do use this tool. After use it, click the OK. And I see some okay. Then again we go to the refine edge and add some feather. Then go to the down of this menu and click on the selection option here and click the fourth option, new layer with layer mask. Click on this and OK, and see you a different layer. Create a different layer on the subject, and background totally different background. And then we go to the background layer and click right button of mouse, and then click the duplicate layer and OK, and see another layer. Create another layer and then I will close the subject layer and then open the middle of layer, background, copy to name, and then we go to the lasso tool, the third of toolbar, and then we draw it like this. Okay, then again click the mouse right button and go to the fill and click here. See the content error and okay. Take some time for using this, applying this. Applying this content error, then we go to the click the mouse right button and deselect. Then we go to the move tool and go to the filter and go to the blur, and then third tail shape blur. Click here, and now we applying blur in this background. Increase the blur opacity. I use blur around 106 pixel. Add some light bokeh, no, and color bokeh, no, and okay. And applying this effect take some time. Done. Apply this blur, and then I will on the subject layer and see this. And you see before and after. Before and after. Okay, and done. So guys, that's it now today. If you like this video and want to learn about photography and photography related tips and tricks and photo editing, then you can check my another video on my channel, and please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video. See you next video. Okay, thank you.